Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Cosmetic Belgrave here. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to show you how I got this cute dark smoky eye. It's very easy, very simple, perfect for a date night, perfect for a dinner. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera really quickly. I have an eyebrow tutorial in my videos if you want to see how I do my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly and then we'll get into the smoky eye. All right girls, so I just did my brows off camera. I did my brows off camera, so now we can get into the smoky eye. So I'm gonna zoom in for you, and it's fairly simple, very easy. Today I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using the Juvias Place, the Warriors 2 Juvias Place palette, and I'm going to be using my 3503 Morphe palette. I'm going to be using these two palettes just because of like the natural colors. It really depends like what kind of smoky eye you want to go for. If you want to go for like a brown smoky eye, or if you just want to go for like a neutral smoky eye, or if you want to go to like a red undertone kind of smoky eye, it really depends. But I'm just going to do a classy black deep smoky eye that you could pair with a red lip, or you could pair with a nude lip. The very first thing I'm going to do, so I do have a little bit of concealer left from doing my eyebrows, but I'm going to apply concealer on my full eyelid. So the concealer that I'm going to use today, since it's a deep, since the smoky eye I'm going to do is a black smoky eye, I'm going to go in with a relatively deep or dark concealer compared to the concealer I used for my eyebrow arch. This is the NARS Narscissist concealer in Truffle. My MAC foundation is 7.5 or NW45, so if that gives you any like reference. So I'm gonna start by prepping my eyes. So I do that by putting the concealer on my eyes. Hopefully y'all can see. So I put the concealer all over my eyes. Because we want a base on our eyes to hold the concealer to hold the eyeshadow on our eyes for a long time, so our eyeshadow will last. Let's say if I was gonna do a lighter color on my eyes, then I would need to use a lighter concealer. But since we're doing dark concealer, that's totally fine. Now I'm gonna use this Morphe setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on my brush. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of it on my brush, just so my brush is a little damp for me to blend that concealer. The key to getting flawless eyeshadow is to blend. Like, that is the #1 key. Like, if you use a little too much, just blend. If you don't use enough, just blend. That's the key, because you want it to look solid. You just want to blend. And I'm using a Morphe brush M441. And I mean, having a good brush isn't like a super big deal. I mean, you can buy a drugstore brush, but as long as you blend, you can't tell, you know, wherever the hell you got your brush on. But the key is to blend. So after I finished my eyeshadow, I'm gonna set my eyes with the translucent powder. I'm gonna be using the Airspun setting powder. This is like, you can find this in the drugstore for like under $5 or something. And I'm gonna use this just because it's a lighter, pretty much a white setting powder, but it's gonna make that pigment eyeshadow pop out on your skin so much more. So I'm just gonna set it to lock in that concealer, set my eyes, and then just, you know. And it also creates a really soft like canvas for your face or for your eyes, like a smooth canvas. And then just set it on there, and it pretty much locks in that concealer. So now when you go and put your eyeshadow on, it's just really easy and transfers very well. So I know it look crazy like baby powder, but let me tell you, this works, like works wonders. You just blend it like that. This is what your eyeshadow base should look like. So now we're gonna go in with our crease color, and I'm gonna use this bright orange. I may mix the two depending on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll do like a orange crease or a red, kind of like undertone crease. Today I think I'm gonna do orange, just cause I guess that's just what I want. I personally think the orange looks really good on brown skin. Look at that. And then so literally all you do is blend. The key to getting a perfect smoky eye is just to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend it out. You want to blend. And look how pigmented that looks on the eyes. And you just want to blend by the bridge of your nose. Blend under your brow arch. And then blend out. Kind of like you're doing you're sweeping it. And then you want to go in a circular motion all around. Like that. And then you just keep on doing it until you feel like you have enough product on there. Keep on doing it until it looks like your other eye. And remember, like, there's no one way to do makeup, but if you want to solidify it, solidify your eyeshadow, blend, blend, blend. That is the key. That is the key to having the best eyeshadow. Like, your whole face can look like whatever, but if your eyeshadow is blended so well, like, people are gonna be like, ooh, look at her eyeshadow, you know, because that's gonna be the thing that stands out in your makeup. It's blended really, really nice. Both sides look equal. So next, I like to take a deep brown. So we're gonna go into our Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use this deep brown instead of that one. You can use either or, and then that's the black I'm gonna use, but we're gonna start with this deep brown, and I'm going to pop this right below our crease. You see? And then I'm just blend that out. I'm just gonna use this brush because this will blend out a little bit more, and then I'll just blend. And then you just wanna blend and bring it over and just blend it out like that. And just the same concept, but instead of going over your entire eyelid, you're just gonna go literally in the middle, the crease. And blend the orange color, the natural color, with the brown color. And you see how that turns out, and it looks so natural. But the more you blend, and then you can always go back in, you can always go back in with this orange, and you can pop that orange on there, and look how it just beautifully blends. Doesn't that look so beautiful? And it looks so natural. And then you just blend. this. And you just blend it out. Just like that. And then we're gonna do the other side the same exact way. I start from the crease, and then you just drag it out in a circular motion. It's really easy. And then you just keep on doing it until your eyes look identical. And sometimes you can put tape here, but I'm just gonna clean it up with concealer, or some people use just like a little tool. They have like a little eyeshadow tool that's like straight to where you can put it on your eye like this and then like blend out. I ain't got time for that. Usually when I do my makeup in 20 minutes, so, and I work pretty quick. I don't like to sit in the mirror all day just to do my makeup. I'll take my time if it's like a big event, but usually I like to be pretty quick. Usually I'm running late anyway, so. And then you can go back on top with the orange and add more pigment if you feel the orange is kind of getting faded out. You know, just so it looks natural and seamless, and it has come together very well. And you know, make it both of your eyes look identical as possible. So we're gonna take a flat brush, and then we're gonna take like this smudge brush. And so in my Morphe palette, I'm gonna use this color, and I'm gonna pat it. We're just going to pat the eyeshadow on our lid, just like this. And you see, it's adding that deep effect. And I like to just pat it across like this. I like to pat it across my lid, just like so. And then I like to take the smudge brush and then just, I like to smudge the corner up like a cat eye, like that. That's how I like to do it. And then I like to smudge the corners and just blend it. And I just blend, like blend it all out. Blend it all out. Just blend it all out. Don't go too high, but just blend it all out. And then I like to take my previous brushes, my brown brush, and then blend. Blend, blend, blend. And just remember, if you put a little bit too much, you can always blend it out and clean it up. And you don't need a lot, you only need a little bit, depending on the product you're using. So Morphe products are pretty pigmented. Juvias places eyeshadows are pretty pigmented. So you don't need much product. And then remember, you can always go back in that orange or your brow color, and you can add it and just blend it out. Look at that. And just blend. Blend it, blend it, blend. You see? And that's pretty much it. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna add it to our lid, like that. Make sure we get that product on there, like that. Come up like a cat eye on the side. So now I'm gonna add my brow color. I'm gonna add my little highlighter in the corners of my brow. So I'm gonna use the Warriors palette by Juvias Place. And I'm gonna go in the color Bakwa. And I'm just gonna pop that. It's a nice kind of champagne, dark champagne color. And I'm gonna pop it right here. And you see how that blends in with that orange color, and it looks just like so beautiful and natural. Excuse my brows, I need to pluck them. But I'm just gonna add that on the top of that orange color and my brow bone, on my brow bone, and just blend it out. Just blend it out so it looks natural. Feel free to do touch-ups on it, you know. And that is pretty much how I do my smoky eye. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera. I definitely have other shorts and other videos to show you how I do my full face. So I'm just gonna do it really quickly and then get back on camera. So I did the majority of my makeup off camera, but I'm still gonna do a couple more things. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow under my eyes, and then I'm gonna smoke it out. And you know, you can throw lashes on your eyes. I have lash extensions on, so I'm not gonna really do much. You can do a wing liner, you know, mix it up however you want. And then I'm just gonna use my smudging tool, my smudging brush, and just kind of blend that out. Not too much to where it's runny. And just, you know, if you mess up, you can always use concealer to clean it up. I'm just gonna kind of like do that. So this is pretty much my black smoky eye. It's cute, right? Very natural, not anything too crazy, very simple to do. I hope you ladies enjoyed, and definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely let me know if there are any looks that you want me to do or show you. I'll be more than happy to show you. I love this. This is like really cute and perfect for date night, perfect for a work event, you know, perfect for a dinner night. So yeah, thanks for watching.